So in this ChatGPT tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn on plugins here in ChatGPT. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up ChatGPT. Then once you're here, what you can also do is, for example, to start a new chat. So go to the top left here, press on new chat. I'll start a new chat. Now, if you start a new chat, in the top left here, it says ChatGPT 4 for me. Now, if you were to press this button right here in the top left, you can select Chat, GPT-4. You can go GPT 3.5, whatever the case may be there. But where it says plugins right here, I want you to go ahead and press on plugins right here, and then it actually turns it on. So if you were to go here, the plugins are turned on. Also, too, what you can do is go to the bottom left right here, press on your username, then go to where it says settings and beta. And where it says general, beta features, etc., you can press on beta features right here. And plugins right now is actually turned on. So if you were to turn this off, plugins would be turned off, as you can tell in the top left right here. My apologies. And if you turn that back on, it is now updating it. It actually failed right now, but then it just worked. Plugins are back turned on. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can turn on plugins here in ChatGPT. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.